Okay, so this is a little bit of a review. What we're doing today is we're adding, is that what my face looks like? Sorry. Okay, what we're doing today is we are adding fractions with unlike denominators. Now, what does that mean? Well, right now we're going to go to page 3.b.14, and we're going to take a look. Okay, we probably won't do all of these at this exact moment, but, and this is a really big but, we're going to do some of them. All right, 1/2 plus 1/3. This is a pretty easy one, guys. So the first step, step one, is to look at your what? Denominators. I know Miss Huff did a great job making a step-by-step model for this. So you might want to pull that out, your notes on that. So I have 2 and I have 3. I'm going to write my multiples of 2 and 3. So I'm going to come over here, 2 and 3. And then I'm going to find the lowest common multiple. So for 2, I have 2, 4, 6, 8. And that should be enough for now. And then for 3, I have 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, I see it already. Do you see it? What is it? It's 6. That means whatever I'm doing here, my denominator is going to be 6. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to turn 1/2 into something over 6. Okay, then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn 1/3 into something over 6. And then once I get both of those, I'm going to add them because this up here says add. Okay, so let me erase a couple of these so it'll be out of your way. Okay, okay, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Okay, so 1/3, how am I going to turn 1/3, or excuse me, how am I going to turn the 3 into a 6? Oh, that's easy. I'm going to multiply by 2. And we know if I multiply the denominator by 2, I also have to multiply the numerator. So now 1/3 is no longer 1/3. Now it is 2/6. Okay, done with that one, but I have not done this one yet. So let's come do this one. How am I going to turn 2 into 6? I'm going to multiply it by 3. And so now I'm going to multiply this one by 3, which will give me 3, 6. And that makes sense, right? 3 6 is equal to 1/2, of course. Okay, now I have my 2 new equivalent fractions. Now I can add them because, why? Because the denominator is the same. So what is 3 6 plus 2 6? That is 5 6. Okay. Let's do one that's a little bit harder. First, erase some of this so it's out of your way. So which one looks difficult to you? Oh, I think I see it. I think I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. I think we should do D, 1/3 plus 1/7. Actually, let's do F, 2/3 plus 2/7. That's the most difficult one. All right, so I'm going to do this one in red. I'm going to make my pen a little bit bigger. Okay, so the first step is what? Look at the denominators. I have 3 and 7. So since I'm not using these right now, I'm just going to do my multiples right here, 3 and 7. And you can probably already guess what the common multiple is. Okay, now let's count by 7. 7, 14, good. What's next? 21, and there it is. We've already found it. Look, 21. That means that whatever my answer is here, the denominator has to be 21. Now I have to change these two fractions so that they equal something over 21. So what am I going to multiply the 3 here by? What am I going to multiply that by to get 21? I'm going to multiply it by 7, right? And if I multiply the bottom by 7, what do I have to multiply the top by? Also by 7. So this is what I'm going to multiply. 2 times 7, and what do I get? I get 14. Nice work. Okay, let's come over here and do the other one now. 2/7 has now got to equal something over 21. Well, oh, this is not going to be too hard. What do I multiply this 7 by to make 21? I multiply it by 3. And if I multiply the bottom by 3, what am I going to multiply the top by? I'm going to multiply the top by 3 as well. So the top number, the numerator, is 2. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. That's right. So that's 6. Now, what was the operation up here? Let's go back and look. It's an addition. And so now I'm going to come down here and add these. What is 14 21st plus 6 21st? And the answer is 20 21st, or 20 over 21. All right, you see how we're doing that? Should we do one more? What do you mean, no? Come on. After all that, after all we've been through together,